Okay, last session we learnt division of polynomials. Previous to that you had learned zeros and all those things. Now today we are going to make use of all those concepts togetherly in the question over here. Now this question is almost about, it may come in the exam for about 4 to 5 mark. It is a 4 to 5 mark question. It's a big question, right? The question says x is equal to under root of 5 by 3 and minus under root of 5 by 3 are two zeros of this polynomial, right? Polynomial की डिग्री क्या है? 4. तो I had taught you earlier कि जो डिग्री होती है मैक्स टू मैक्स यानी कि मैक्सिमम उतने जीरोस हो सकते हैं. तो डिग्री यहाँ पे 4 है पॉलिनोमियल की, तो मैक्सिमम 4 जीरोस हो सकते हैं. और है क्वेश्चन में ऐसा कहा है कि 2 जीरोस हमने ढूंढकर आपको दिए हैं और दूसरे 2 जीरोस क्या है वो आपको ढूंढकर बताने हैं. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड देम? 2 zeros are given, 2 you are supposed to find out. Now these 2 zeros you are already given. So you say that since these two are the given zeros, so we will write in the question that since, we'll begin the question like this, we'll say since x is equal to this and this are zeros of the polynomial, therefore यानी कि अगर हम लिखेंगे d of x, तो d of x is equal to, take this term to the other side, so x minus under root of 5 upon 3 into x plus under root of 5 upon 3, which is going to be equal to, it is a minus b, a plus b, so it is of the type a square minus b square, यानी कि under root of 5 upon 3 का whole square, so that is going to be 5 by 3. So since these two are zeros, ये दोनों जो है since they are zeros of the given polynomial, उनका product of those two factors, so that is a plus b, a minus b, that is x square minus 5 by 3 is a divisor, यानी कि is a factor of the given polynomial. So we will say therefore this d of x is a factor of given p of x. अगर it is a given factor of p of x, यानी कि अगर हम पॉलिनोमियल को इससे डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर तो 0 आएगा. हमें रिमाइंडर का कोई काम नहीं है, हमें तो सिर्फ कोशेंट का काम है. तो लेट अस गो टू द डिविजन पोर्शन ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. नाउ वील डिवाइड 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. This polynomial will divide by the divisor x square minus 5 upon 3. तो we'll divide it like this way. Now division कभी भी करना है तो मैंने क्या सिखाया था? अंदर वाले टर्म का जो पहला टर्म है that term upon the first term over here. तो यहाँ पे you will have 3x raised to 4 upon x square. तो 2x नीचे कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, 2 ऊपर कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, तो बचा 3x का स्क्वायर. तो बचा 3x का स्क्वायर. जो बचा वो ये दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करो, तो 3x स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर, तो दैट इज 3 इंटू एक्स रेज टू 4. देन 3x स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 5 बाय 3. तो यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो, 3x का स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 बाय 3, तो 3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो बचेगा क्या? 5x का स्क्वायर बचेगा. तो 5x स्क्वायर आई विल राइट इट ओवर हियर, तो आई राइट इट एज माइनस 5x का स्क्वायर. नाउ वी नीड टू डू द सबट्रैक्शन. तो सेकेंड पॉलिनोमियल की साइन चेंज हो जाएगी, दिस विल बिकम माइनस एंड दिस विल बिकम प्लस. दे कैंसिल. 5 minus 2 is going to be 3x का स्क्वायर. बाकी जो टर्म बचे हैं वो जैसे हैं हम वैसे ही लिख लेंगे उनको. तो दिस इज प्लस 3 बिकॉज लार्जर टर्म इज 5 का साइन इज प्लस, माइनस 10x minus 5. वापस से हमें डिवीजन करना है क्योंकि दिस डिग्री इज लार्जर देन द डिग्री ओवर हियर, तो अगेन वी डू डिवीजन। तो 6x का क्यूब अपॉन x का स्क्वायर, 2x नीचे कट जाएंगे, 2x ऊपर कट जाएंगे, तो 6x बचेगा, तो प्लस 6x। नाउ 6x को दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करो, तो 6x इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर इज 6x का क्यूब, then 6x you multiply by minus 5/3, तो 6x you multiply by 5/3, तो 3 1s are 3 2s are, तो 2x into 5 that is going to be 10x. So with this minus sign here you get it as minus 10x. Again you will do the subtraction, so this sign will become minus, this sign will become plus, they two will get cancelled with each other और बचा मेरे पास 3x square minus 5. Now again डिग्री सेम होगा तो ये लास्ट स्टेप होगा, तो अंदर है 3x square एंड यहाँ पर है ओनली x square, x square cancels, 3 बचा, तो therefore plus 3 over here. Now plus 3 over here, this 3 you multiply with both of them, so that will become 3x का square, 3 into minus 5/3, so that is 3 multiplied by 5/3, so 3 gets cancelled and answer is 5 with this minus sign, so that is minus 5. Now do the subtraction, so this becomes minus, this becomes plus, both these get cancelled and the remainder is 0. remainder 0 आना ही था क्योंकि ये भी उसका फैक्टर था, ये भी उसका फैक्टर था, ये दोनों उसके जीरोज है। अब हमें 2 जीरोज उन्होंने दिए थे, तो मुझे क्या करना है, दूसरे 2 जीरोज फाइंड आउट करने हैं। तो दूसरे 2 जीरोज मुझे कहाँ से मिलेंगे, तो कोशेंट से मिलेंगे। नाउ लेट मी सॉल्व, आई हैव माई कोशेंट एज 3x का स्क्वायर प्लस 6x एंड प्लस 3, इसमें से 3 कॉमन निकाल दो, तो 3 कॉमन निकालेंगे अगर हम, एंड अंदर बचेगा हमारे पास x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 1। अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर, तो दिस इज 3 इंटू x प्लस 1 का होल स्क्वायर मीन्स x प्लस 1 इंटू x प्लस 1। अगर आपको जीरोस ढूंढना हो तो मैंने क्या सिखाया था, लेट द पॉलिनोमियल बी इक्वल टू 0। तो इफ आई विल से इफ दिस q of x was equal to 0, तो I can write it here, if this q of x is equal to 0, तो this means it is this term and यानी कि it is equal to 0, तो this means that x plus 1 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 1, or again x plus 1 is equal to 0, then it implies that x is equal to minus 1. So what are the other 2 zeros of the polynomial? So let us write the final answer here. So other 2 zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. 2 उन्होंने दिए थे और 2 zeros नए हमने find out किए. Let's move to the next question. Okay children, now this is another big question. It can come for 4 to 5 marks in your examination, and you are given dividend, divisor ढूंढना बाकी है, quotient is given and remainder is given. You know the division algorithm आपने बचपन में सीखा होगा. You learned dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient and plus remainder. So this was what taught to you in the lower classes, 3rd standard, 4th standard. We are going to make use of that over here. So dividend is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, that is equal to, डिवाइजर जो है वो हमें ढूंढना बाकी है, तो g of x ये ढूंढना बाकी है, into quotient is x minus 2 and remainder is minus 2x and plus 4. तो हमने वैल्यूज भर दी, डिविडेंड इज डिवाइजर इनटू quotient plus remainder. This remainder from the right hand side, you bring it to the left hand side. So I have x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This term, this is a plus term. When it comes to this side over here, it becomes minus. So minus of the term minus 2x plus 4. ब्रैकेट के बाहर प्लस साइन था. When it comes to the left hand side, side changes, sign becomes minus, the bracket remains the same, and that is equal to g of x, the term, into x minus 2. Now subtract this. So when you apply this minus sign over here, what it will become? So it is going to become minus of minus. So this will become over here plus, and this is plus term, so that is become plus 2 term, and that is minus 4, right? So now what remains? X cube, no x cube term over here, so x cube, then x square term और कोई नहीं है, तो minus 3x square, then plus x and plus 2x, that is plus 3x minus 4 and plus 2, that is minus 2. So this is the term which remains over here after subtraction. That is equal to g of x into this division, this multiplication term, opposite side if you get, it will become upon x minus 2. Now you want to find out g of x. तो g of x क्या है? This polynomial divided by x minus 2, जो आंसर आएगा that is g of x. आंसर हमेशा क्या होता है? quotient. तो ये डिवीजन में जो quotient आएगा that is g of x. तो let us divide now. Suppose if we start dividing, so we are having here x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, and this is going to be x minus 2. Let us do the division. X cube upon x, so that is going to be x का square. x square दोनों को multiply करो, तो x का cube, then x square into minus 2, यानी कि minus 2 x का square. Do the subtraction, so this becomes minus, this becomes plus, this cancels, minus 3 and plus 2, that is minus x का square, and plus 3x and minus 2, minus x square upon x, so that is going to be minus x here, so that will become minus x का square, minus into minus, that is plus 2x. Again you will do the subtraction, so this becomes plus, this becomes minus, cancels off, that is going to become 3 and minus 2, yani ki it will become x and minus 2. So x upon x, that is going to be plus 1 here, and again x minus 2, and the subtraction will get cancelled and the term will become 0. तो ये जो आपको आंसर मिला, तो this is the division you wanted to perform, and this division is nothing but your g of x, यानी कि divisor जो आप ढूंढ रहे थे. So therefore divisor whatever you are finding, you got it as g of x. So this is how it is to be done. Let's go to the next question. Okay, let's go to one extra question based on the same concept of division. The question is, आपका जो polynomial p of x है, उस polynomial में एक term यहाँ missing है, तो the constant term a is missing. तो ये a की value आपको find out करनी है, लेकिन कब find out करनी है? जब आपका p of x is divisible by 3x plus 5. डिविजिबल होना या फैक्टर होना, इसका मतलब है रिमाइंडर शुड बी 0. यानी कि अगर मैं अपने पॉलिनोमियल को 3x plus 5 से डिवाइड करती हूँ, तो मेरा रिमाइंडर 0 आना ही चाहिए. Why? Because this term p of x and that term there 3x plus 5 is what related? It is 3x plus 5 is a factor of the given polynomial. So now let us do the division work over here. Now you know how to divide. 3x का cube, 3x का cube you divide by 3x. एक x कैंसल हुआ तो 2x बच गए, एक x इधर 3 गया, 3 गया, तो x का स्क्वायर रिमेन्स. तो x square you multiply with both तो 3x का क्यूब, देन x square you multiply by 5, so you have plus 5x, so that is minus minus, so this cancels and you get 14x का square, 9 minus 5 is 4x and plus a you carry forward as it is. Again further मुझे division करना है, तो 14x square upon 3x I have to do over here, right? So this x and 1x cancels over here and I have it as plus 14 upon 3, 14, that is just a minute. X square. Okay, here there is a mistake, just 2 minutes children. I have it as x square multiplied by 5x, that should be plus 5x ka square, and when minus comes, 14 minus 5, I am going to have here 9x ka square and plus 9x and plus a. Now carrying further, I have here 9x square divided by 3x. एक एक x कैंसिल हुआ, 3 1 जा 3 3 जा, तो मेरे पास बचता है यहाँ पे 3x, तो 3x comes here. Now 3x you multiply to both, so that gives you 9x square and 3 into 5, that is plus 15x. Now again let us subtract. So 3 into 5, that is 15, minus 9 gets cancelled, minus, that is 15 minus 9. So 15 minus 9 is going to give you what? Now 9, that is 4, that is 6. So 6, so minus 6x and plus a, minus 6x and plus a. Now again one time division is possible. So minus 6x upon 3x you do, x gets cancelled, 3 1 za, 3 2 za, so minus 2. तो now minus 2 को दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करो, तो minus 6x and minus into this minus, that is going to be minus 10. Now again do the subtraction, so you change the signs over here, this becomes plus and this minus 2 into 5 was minus 10. Now a and 10 will not get cancelled, so we'll write it as जैसा है वैसा, a minus 10. Now as per the question ऐसा कहता है कि 3x minus 5 is a factor of p of x. अगर factor of p of x है, then remainder must be 0. So remainder should be equal to 0. तो हमारा remainder क्या आया है? a minus 10. That should be equal to 0. That means a is equal to plus minus 10 goes to the other side and you get value of a as 10. So therefore a is 10 and you found out the value of a, right? So this question is over. I may further give you more questions for practice and you can practice them at home along with the solutions I will be sending. Thank you children. Let's meet next time.